Hi, my name's Emma Tysdale and I completed the degree in Health and Social Care in 2013.
My name is Sandra and I'm originally from Ghana. I'm in my final year of Bangor University studying a degree called BA Honours Health and Social Care.
I came back to education as a mature student and I found the transition really easy actually, because I think that the admin staff and the lecturing staff were able to support me and understand the difficulties of going into a new institution, but also the commitments that I had within my family. I chose to do the health and social care degree because I wanted to enhance my career prospects. I had a career in mind that I wanted, and the way to get that was to do the health and social care degree. All of the modules were really interesting, but they were also really diverse as well. So I think that because they were engaging, it helps you to be interested in the course.
I decided to study this degree to explore a range of health and social care settings. There were lots of modules to choose from, such as mental health and society, sociological health, and social work perspectives. These modules are interesting and explore the different aspects of health. The course helps you to develop the values, the knowledge, and practical skills relating to health.
I found that lecturing staff were really helpful, but also their experience. So some of the lecturers had previous careers as social workers and so on, and they were able to use some practical experience to really enhance and solidify the knowledge that we were learning in our lectures and seminars. One of the things that I did like was that in our seminars, the lecturers would choose current affairs or recent news stories, and then we would then as a class then discuss them, and I think that this helped to really hone in on what we was to be learning, but also to help us understand in a much more deeper and richer way.
I like Bangor because of its beautiful coastline. It's a lovely place to study and live, and also it has a vibrant location.
The reason I chose to study in Bangor was because it was my local university. But why wouldn't you want to study in Bangor? The scenery is just absolutely breathtaking. There's so much to do. There's so many places that you can visit. You can be on the mountain 1 minute and then you can be on the beach the next. So I think that although it was my local university, it's actually one of the best places to study in terms of being able to get outdoors, loads of things to do. After completing the health and social care degree, I was able to gain meaningful employment in the sector that I wanted to.